Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix the ghost touch problem on your OnePlus Pad 2 Pro. So first, if you do not have an original case and a screen protector, then remove it, because it can cause issues with the ghost touch. If you do have the original case and a screen protector, then leave it. We know that it will work just fine. So now you can clean the screen to get rid of any moisture or debris, because when your screen is oily and dusty, then basically it can create touches of its own. So grab a microfiber cloth, give it a few little wipes. You don't even need to go hard on the device. Just give it a few scrubs and it should be okay. So after that, if it didn't work, then go over settings and go to system and update. It's at the bottom. Go to software update and make sure that you're running the latest version of the OxygenOS. It's very important because it may be the software issue and not the hardware. So now, after checking it out, let me know in the comments if it helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.